Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download Roblox on your Mac. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download Roblox on Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here on the center of the screen you can see download Mac app, click on it. Now your download has been started. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this, click on it. Now here it will open a Roblox player installer, click on it. After that you will get a pop-up like this and it will ask for a confirmation, click on open. Now your installation is started. After the installation is completed, you can see that your Roblox is opened. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.